Hi, garden enthusiasts. Are you dreaming of a tropical getaway, but unable to travel? You can still experience the relaxing atmosphere of the tropics by creating a tropical garden at home. According to a recent survey, over 70% of homeowners who create a tropical garden say that it improves their overall mood and reduces stress levels. With its lush foliage, vibrant flowers, and exotic plants, a tropical garden can transport you to a peaceful paradise right in your own backyard. From budget-friendly DIY ideas to exotic garden design concepts, there are many ways to incorporate tropical elements into your outdoor space. In this video, we'll explore a variety of tropical garden design ideas that will inspire you to create a beautiful and serene environment that evokes the spirit of the tropics. Whether you have a large backyard or a small patio, these ideas will help you transform your outdoor space into a tropical oasis that you can enjoy year-round. Planning a tropical garden. Creating a beautiful tropical garden requires careful planning and consideration. Here are some key factors to consider when planning your tropical garden. Understanding the climate and soil in your area. One of the most important factors in planning a tropical garden is understanding the climate and soil conditions in your area. Tropical plants typically thrive in warm, humid environments, but some varieties may require specific soil conditions to grow properly. Research the specific needs of the plants you're interested in and consider whether they will thrive in your local climate and soil. Choosing the right plants and trees for a tropical garden. When selecting plants and trees for your tropical garden, choose species that are well suited for the climate in your area. Popular tropical plants include hibiscus, bird of paradise, and plumeria, while palm trees and bamboo can add a dramatic touch to your garden. Consider the size of the plants when fully grown, as well as their maintenance requirements, deciding on the layout and design of the garden. The layout and design of your tropical garden will depend on the size and shape of your outdoor space, as well as your personal preferences. Consider incorporating features like water features, stone pathways, and seating areas to enhance the overall look and feel of your garden. Be creative with your design and have fun experimenting with different combinations of plants and landscaping features. With careful planning and consideration, you can create a beautiful and thriving tropical garden that will transport you to a serene and relaxing oasis right in your own backyard. Tropical garden design ideas. When it comes to designing a tropical garden, the possibilities are endless. With the right plants, materials, and layout, you can create a stunning and inviting outdoor space that transports you to a tropical paradise. However, designing a garden can be a daunting task, especially if you're unsure about what plants to choose or how to arrange them. You can experiment with different plant arrangements, color schemes, and other design elements, ensuring that your garden meets your preferences and needs. Here are the top 20 tropical garden design ideas for a vacation vibe at home. Idea number 1, incorporating water features. Water features are a popular design element in tropical gardens, and for good reason. The sound of flowing water can create a calming and tranquil atmosphere, making your outdoor space a perfect place to relax and unwind. There are many different types of water features you can incorporate into your tropical garden, from a small pond to a cascading waterfall. You can also add in aquatic plants and fish to create a more natural ecosystem. A water feature can also be a focal point of your garden, drawing the eye and creating a sense of drama. Choose a location that is visible from multiple vantage points, such as a central location in your garden or near a seating area. Adding lighting to your water feature can also create a stunning effect at night. With a little creativity, you can incorporate a beautiful and functional water feature into your tropical garden design. Idea number 2, using bamboo and other natural materials. Incorporating natural materials like bamboo, wood, and stone into your tropical garden can add an exotic and organic touch to the space. Bamboo is particularly popular as it is versatile and can be used in a variety of ways, from creating fences and screens to making decorative accents like trellises and pergolas. Other natural materials like wood and stone can also add texture and interest to your garden design. When using natural materials, consider their durability and resistance to weather and pests. Bamboo, for example, is a hardy and resilient material that can withstand harsh weather conditions. It's also important to choose materials that will complement your plant selection and overall garden aesthetic. Idea number 3, adding a pergola or other shaded area. In tropical regions, the sun can be intense, and having a shaded area in your garden can provide a comfortable place to relax and cool off. Pergolas, arbors, and other shaded structures can also add an architectural element to your garden design. Consider adding climbing plants like bougainvillea or jasmine to your pergola for a beautiful and fragrant addition to your garden. When designing your shaded area, consider the size and location of your structure. Place your shaded area in a location that is visible from your seating area, and choose a size that is appropriate for your needs. Adding a fan or misting system can also help to cool off your shaded area during hot summer months. Idea number 4, creating a seating area for relaxation. A seating area is a must-have in any tropical garden design. It provides a comfortable and inviting place to relax, read a book, or enjoy a cup of coffee. When designing your seating area, consider the size and location of your space. Choose furniture that is comfortable and durable, and add in decorative accents like cushions and throws for a cozy touch. To create a more intimate and relaxing atmosphere, consider adding privacy screens or curtains to your seating area. Plants like bamboo and palm trees can also provide natural shade and privacy. Finally, consider adding lighting to your seating area to create a warm and inviting atmosphere at night. Idea number 5, adding a hammock or swing. A hammock or swing is a perfect addition to a tropical garden design. It provides a relaxing and comfortable spot to enjoy the natural surroundings and the warm weather. You can hang a hammock from 2 trees or posts, or install a freestanding hammock stand. A swing can be hung from a tree branch or installed on a porch or pergola. When choosing a hammock or swing, consider the size and weight limit to ensure it can comfortably accommodate your needs. You should also choose materials that are durable and weather resistant, such as synthetic fabrics or treated wood. Idea number 6, incorporating tropical flowers and plants. Tropical flowers and plants are a key element in any tropical garden design. Bold and vibrant colors like reds, oranges, and yellows can add a pop of color to your garden, while lush green foliage can create a lush and exotic feel. Some popular tropical plants include hibiscus, bird of paradise, plumeria, and orchids. When selecting tropical plants, it's important to consider the climate in your area and choose plants that will thrive in your environment. You should also consider the size and growth habits of the plants to ensure they will fit well in your garden design. Mixing different heights, textures, and colors can create a dynamic and visually interesting garden. Idea number 7, creating a tropical oasis with a pool. If you have the space and budget, adding a pool to your tropical garden can create a luxurious and relaxing oasis. A pool can be surrounded by lush tropical plants, palm trees, and other landscaping features to create a natural and serene environment. Consider adding in water features like a waterfall or fountains to enhance the tropical feel of your pool area. When designing your pool area, consider the size and shape of your pool, as well as the location in your garden. You should also consider safety features like fencing and pool covers to keep your family and guests safe. Idea number 8, adding a tiki bar or outdoor kitchen. For the ultimate tropical garden experience, consider adding a tiki bar or outdoor kitchen to your outdoor space. A tiki bar can be made with bamboo or other natural materials and can be a fun and playful addition to your garden design. An outdoor kitchen can provide a functional and convenient place to prepare meals and entertain guests. When designing your tiki bar or outdoor kitchen, consider the size and layout of your space, as well as the materials and appliances you'll need. A tiki bar can be decorated with tropical accents like tiki masks and grass skirts, while an outdoor kitchen can be outfitted with a grill, sink, and refrigerator. With a little creativity, you can create the ultimate tropical oasis in your own backyard. Idea number 9, using lighting to enhance the tropical atmosphere. Using lighting is an effective way to create a relaxing and inviting atmosphere in your tropical garden. You can use string lights, lanterns, and other outdoor lighting fixtures to highlight features like waterfalls, plants, and seating areas. Warm and soft lighting can create a cozy and intimate ambiance, while bright and colorful lights can add a playful and fun element to your garden. When designing your lighting plan, consider the type of lighting fixtures and bulbs you'll need, as well as the placement and wiring requirements. You should also consider energy-efficient and sustainable lighting options to reduce your environmental impact. Idea number 10, creating a tropical garden with a sustainable approach. Creating a tropical garden with a sustainable approach is a great way to reduce your environmental impact while enjoying the natural beauty of your garden. You can use techniques like composting, rainwater harvesting, and organic gardening to reduce waste and conserve resources. You can also choose native plants and organic fertilizers to support local ecosystems and promote biodiversity. When designing your sustainable tropical garden, consider the materials and practices that are environmentally friendly and avoid using chemicals and synthetic products that can harm the environment. With a little effort and creativity, you can create a beautiful and sustainable tropical garden that you can feel good about. Idea number 11, using art and sculptures to add interest. Art and sculptures can be used to add interest and personality to your tropical garden design. You can choose pieces that complement your garden's theme and style, such as tiki masks, wooden carvings, and colorful glass ornaments. You can also use sculptures to create focal points or to draw the eye to specific features in your garden. When choosing art and sculptures, consider the size and placement of the pieces, as well as the materials and colors that will work well in your garden. You can also choose pieces that are functional, such as birdhouses or planters, to add both beauty and utility to your garden. Idea number 12, adding a tropical garden to a small space. Even if you have a small outdoor space, you can still create a beautiful and tropical garden design. You can use vertical gardening techniques, such as trellises and hanging plants, to maximize your space and add depth to your garden. You can also choose small and compact tropical plants that will thrive in containers or raised beds. When designing your small tropical garden, consider the layout and scale of your space, as well as the lighting and water requirements of your plants. You can also use color and texture to create a lush and vibrant feel in your garden, even with limited space. Idea number 13, creating a tropical garden with a Mediterranean twist. If you're looking for a unique twist on the traditional tropical garden design, consider incorporating elements of Mediterranean style into your garden. You can use features like terracotta pots, stone paths, and wrought iron accents to add a touch of Mediterranean charm to your garden. You can also choose plants like olive trees, lavender, and rosemary that thrive in both tropical and Mediterranean climates. When designing your tropical garden with a Mediterranean twist, consider the balance between the two styles and how you can integrate them seamlessly. You can use color and texture to create a cohesive look that blends the lushness of a tropical garden with the rustic charm of Mediterranean design. Idea number 14, incorporating fruit trees into a tropical garden. Incorporating fruit trees into your tropical garden is a great way to add beauty and function to your outdoor space. You can choose fruit trees like mangoes, papayas, and guavas that thrive in tropical climates and produce delicious and nutritious fruit. You can also use fruit trees to provide shade and create a natural privacy barrier around your garden. When incorporating fruit trees into your tropical garden design, consider the placement and spacing of the trees to ensure they have enough room to grow and produce fruit. You should also consider the soil and water requirements of your trees, as well as any maintenance needs like pruning and fertilizing. Idea number 15, creating a tropical garden with a jungle-like vibe. Creating a tropical garden with a jungle-like vibe is a great way to capture the exotic and wild spirit of the tropics. You can use plants like ferns, bamboo, and large-leaved tropical plants to create a lush and dense garden that feels like a jungle oasis. You can also use water features like ponds and waterfalls to enhance the tropical atmosphere and create a soothing ambiance. When designing your jungle-inspired tropical garden, consider the balance between the density and openness of your garden, as well as the lighting and water requirements of your plants. You can also use color and texture to create a layered and varied landscape that feels like a true tropical jungle. Idea number 16, adding a water slide or waterfall. Adding a water slide or waterfall to your tropical garden is a fun and exciting way to enhance the beauty and entertainment value of your outdoor space. You can choose a water slide that complements the design and scale of your garden, or you can create a custom waterfall that blends seamlessly with your garden's natural features. When adding a water slide or waterfall to your tropical garden design, consider the safety and maintenance requirements of your water feature, as well as any landscaping and lighting needs. You can also use your water feature as a focal point in your garden and build seating and relaxation areas around it to create a true tropical oasis. Idea number 17, creating a tropical garden with a zen-like atmosphere. Creating a tropical garden with a zen-like atmosphere. For those who want to create a peaceful and calming tropical garden, a zen-like atmosphere is a great idea. This can be achieved by adding features such as a meditation area or a rock garden. Plants such as bamboo, ferns, and palms can be used to create a tranquil and serene environment. Idea number 18, incorporating a bridge or stepping stones. Adding a bridge or stepping stones to a tropical garden can create an exotic and adventurous feel. Bridges can be made from wood or stone and can be designed to blend in with the overall look of the garden. Stepping stones can be used to create a pathway through the garden and can be made from a variety of materials, including stone, wood, or even recycled materials. Idea number 19, creating a tropical garden with a focus on wildlife. For those who love nature, creating a tropical garden that attracts wildlife can be a great idea. This can be achieved by adding bird feeders, birdhouses, and butterfly gardens. Plants such as milkweed and hibiscus can be used to attract butterflies, while bird feeders and birdhouses can attract a variety of bird species. Idea number 20, adding a natural stone pathway. Adding a natural stone pathway can add a touch of rustic charm to a tropical garden. Natural stones, such as flagstone or slate, can be used to create a pathway that winds through the garden. This can be a great idea for those who want to create a garden that is both beautiful and functional. The takeaway: a tropical garden can bring a touch of paradise to your home and provide a serene and relaxing environment. The beauty and benefits of a tropical garden are undeniable, and the 20 design ideas presented here offer a range of options to suit any style and budget. So why not try out one of the 20 design ideas presented here and create your own tropical oasis at home? With a little planning, effort, and care, you can enjoy the beauty and benefits of a tropical garden for years to come.